Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today we're going vegetarian. We've got a pulled fennel and halloumi burger, and I'm looking forward to this. I've done it before and it's really tasty. Okay, so the two key ingredients for this recipe are fennel, lovely fresh bulb of fennel there, and halloumi cheese. Really great. You need to cut it thin, in my opinion, and cook it until it crisps up, and it smells and tastes amazing when it's like that. Okay, so let's get going. So take your fennel, and cut thin slithers like this. Through. Smells nice and aniseedy. You want to keep those together like that, so that will cook like that. Take your halloumi, cut it into 3 slices, like that, about that thick at the most. Okay, let's get this on the barbecue. So pop your fennel on a nice hot plancha, a hot plate or a griddle, whatever you choose. Make sure that it sees some of that heat. We want it to caramelise up. Knob of butter, help things along. Starting to caramelise up nicely. Looking for this to get nice and soft and caramelised and sticky. So we're going to sprinkle with a little bit of CountryWood Smokehouse rub. And a knob of butter. Okay, so once your fennel is starting to really soften up and caramelise up, place a cube of halloumi cheese on, like that. You're looking for the halloumi to crisp up on the outside. So fennel's getting nice and soft and delicious. You want to hit it with some steam. So going for a bit of beer. Bit of beer on. And then the cloth lid on. And that will steam and soften it even more. So the roll's looking nice and crispy, the halloumi's looking fantastic, this fennel looks and smells amazing. So let's put this together. So bun, fennel, halloumi, sriracha, done. Let's have a taste, see how we got on. So this smells amazing. I'll tell you what, for a vegetarian burger, this is looking and smelling phenomenal. Let's have a taste. Wow. So the fennel is soft and caramelised and gooey, a little bit like pulled pork. It's a nice vegetarian alternative to a pulled pork roll. You get a nice salty, crispy savouriness from the cheese, from the halloumi, and nice bit of chilli kick from the sriracha. That's really, really good. I'll tell you what, if you're having friends over who don't eat meat, or you want to give this a go yourself, because it's pretty damn tasty. Really enjoying that. If you like what I do here at CountryWoodSmoke, there's a box down there. Subscribe, like, comment, let me know you like my videos. It's all appreciated. Take care. Cheers.